It's tough, it's a hard one. Magically floats. It really is through the fabric.
That's amazing, I love it.
How are you doing that? Are you on fire?
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 5 easy magic tricks that you can do right now. So if you're ready, hit the thumbs up button and let's go. Okay, so you're gonna borrow a dollar bill from somebody and crumple it up just like this. Hold it at your fingertips, and as you let go, it looks like it just magically floats. Just like that. This next one is a fun challenge that you can do at home with your friends and family with just a handful of quarters. Check it out. All right, Ava, I know you've been eagerly awaiting another challenge opportunity. This is a good one. You have a chance to win 20 bucks. So there's 6 coins on the table in the shape of an L right now. The challenge is, can you get them to both have 4 coins in each row? So 4 coins in this row, 4 coins in this row, but you can only move 1 coin and somehow make it 4 coins in each row. And you can only move it 1 time. Get it correct, and you win $20. What are your thoughts here? You can move them around to try things, as long as they move back to this position.
Okay.
It's tough, it's a hard one. It's only 6 coins. Do you guys know? If you know, don't say it in the comments yet. Don't spoil it, don't give it away. I'm gonna give you a countdown.
No.
Yeah, you have 30 seconds left to figure it out. Cameraman's keeping track of your time. You got probably about 20 seconds left. 20 seconds for $20. Let's see if you can get it. You got 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, you give up?
Yes.
Yes, all right, so I'm gonna show you the secret a little later in the video. Stay tuned. This is one that I invented just for this video. This is the chained matrix. Check it out. Okay, Sasha, I have a really cool coin trick to show you that also uses a couple of playing cards. Down here on the table, I have 4 coins laid out, 4 quarters. I also have the card box over here, and inside that card box, we have 2 cards, the Ace of Hearts and the Ace of Diamonds. Watch, I'm gonna cover these 2 coins, and you can see it jump right across from there to there to join the other coin. Now watch, we're gonna make this one jump too. 1, 2, 3. All 3 go right there. Now watch. Last coin, all 4 go right there in that corner. Now watch, it's not over. See, it's actually the cards that make this work. So we're gonna take the coins and I'm gonna make it a little bit harder. So we're gonna sit the cards down. I'm gonna take this empty card box and I'm actually gonna dump the coins inside it. Okay? And close it up.
Okay.
And we have the coins inside. I'm actually gonna sit it down here and we're going to use a chain. Do me a favor, inspect the chain. Make sure it's normal. I also have in my pocket a lock and key. Do me a favor, inspect the lock. I'll take the chain. So while you're examining that, I'm going to take the chain and I'm actually going to wrap it around the box so that we lock the coins inside. So we've got this little loop right here. It's gonna go right through here. And we'll wrap it around the top. There's absolutely no way I could open it. And if you would, take the little lock and just lock it in place there. Perfect. And just click it in place if you can. All right.
Done.
So that is now totally locked up. There's no way I could get to the coins inside the box. Just hold the corner of that like right there. Perfect. And just sit it on your hand. Okay. So now we have the 2 cards. You're just going to pick either one of the cards that you want. The Ace of Hearts or the Ace of Diamonds. Which one do you want?
Ace of Hearts.
All right. Just go ahead and pick it up. Perfect. Now you're gonna sit it on top of the card box, just like that, face down though. Yeah, it has to be face down. Cards provide the magic, so you cover the coins with each of the cards, and on the count of 3, they jump across. Ready, 1, 2, 3.
No way.
All 4 coins jump across. Now check this out, we can now open up the box. Do you have the key still? Let's go ahead and open it, just to prove there's not a duplicate set of coins or something like that. We can open up this lock. Perfect. You do the honors. Go ahead and open that chain and let's see, just to verify. Empty? Crazy, right?
That's amazing, I love it.
Our next trick is another Evan Era original. This is the magic safety pin trick. I have a safety pin through my tablecloth. You can see it really is going through the fabric. Now watch, I'm gonna cover it with my hand and I'm actually gonna move it. Down the table just like that. You can see it really is through the fabric. They can inspect this. Stay tuned for the end of the video to learn the secret. All right, Ava, I have a cool trick to show you. I have empty hands here. I just want to show you. Look, front and back empty. Watch. If I just rub my fingers like this.
My hands are smoking.
Look, magically produce smoke from my fingertips.
How are you doing that? Are you on fire?
All right, here's how they're done. I'm about to reveal the secrets. This is a classic levitation trick. This is all you need to pull it off. If you want to get a Laugh at Life pencil, go to evaneratv.com. All you're going to do is crumple up the bill, stick it on the end of the pencil just like this. It's all about the angle that you view it from, so you're going to hold it in between your wrists, pointed towards the audience. Bring your fingertips in as if you're holding it, and then when you let go, it looks like that bill is just magically floating in between your hands. Don't let this hang for too long with the floating. People might start to get suspicious that it's hanging on something between your hands. Okay, here is the secret to the coin rows challenge. You got 4 in this row, 3 in this row. The challenge is you only move 1 coin, and there has to be 4 coins in each row. Now this is the secret. Watch. You take this coin right here, it goes right here on this coin, and now you have 4 coins in this row and 4 coins in this. Try it out at home. Here's the secret to the chained matrix. This is a variation of the coin matrix trick, which is a classic coin magic trick with a little variation that we came up with just for this video. You're gonna use 2 playing cards and you need 5 coins. The audience believes there's only 4 coins in play. That 5th coin is going to get concealed underneath one of the cards. These corners over here are going to represent our pockets. So in one pocket, you're going to have an additional 4 quarters and a chain escape trick available at evaneratv.com if you don't have one. So you have these 4 coins on the table, you have your 1 coin hidden underneath one of the cards. We're gonna bring it over top of this coin. We're gonna pick up this coin as we drop this coin right next to that one, and it looks like it just transitions from one side of the table to the other. So it's like the cards make the coins just magically jump around the table like that. It's super cool visual. We're gonna repeat that same process. Now all 4 coins have jumped to this point right here. You then have this 1 coin held under this card. Sweep up the other 4 coins and sandwich all the coins. You're then going to just do this nice little flourish move of transferring them to the other hand. You're gonna pick up the card box, presenting the front face of it. You're then gonna take the coins, let them hit the card case, and then fall into your hand. Close up the box and give it a nice shake as a convincer that the coins are indeed inside the box. Finger palm the coins as you set the card box down on the table. Take these and ditch them into your pocket here as you pull out the chain. Wrap it around the box. The weight of the chain will give the impression that the coins are still inside. Hand them one of the playing cards. Palm these coins out of your opposite pocket. Place it on top of the box. Your other playing card is held here with the coins concealed underneath. From inside the chained box to your hand, just like this. All 4 coins, open the box and see nothing inside. Stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to win this trick in our free magic giveaway. The magic moving safety pin trick. Here is the explanation to how it's done. You can get this trick at evaneratv.com. Comes with the prepared safety pin, the magnet, an extra real safety pin, and full instructions. Head over to evaneratv.com at the link in the description and pick one up today, or stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm giving these away to lucky comments. The secret to this trick is a pack of matches. You just need this part right here, this little strike strip, and you're gonna set this on a ceramic plate. Next step is to light this on fire and let it burn on the plate. What actually makes this happen, red phosphorus is contained in the strike strip, and as it burns, the red phosphorus in the strike strip turns into white phosphorus on the plate. Take some of this resin, get it on your fingertips, make sure you let that plate cool off first. That is very important. The friction of you rubbing your fingers together is enough heat to vaporize the white phosphorus, which makes it look like smoke. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone you think might like it as well. Hitting that thumbs up button and sharing the video really does help more people see the video, helps us get more subscribers on the channel. We are on that road to 3 million YouTube subscribers, and you can help us get there. So take a moment, hit the like button on the video, and share this video with someone who you think might like it too. You can get the magic safety pin trick at evaneratv.com. You can also get the magic chain escape trick that you saw in this video, and bicycle cards in multiple colors. So if you want to get one of those, or you want to get any of the other cool magic tricks that we have available on evaneratv.com, we also have a lot of cool Laugh at Life gear. Go over to the link in the description, evaneratv.com. We ship everything from our own fulfillment center. We're not like shipping it out to somebody else and having them ship it to you. Everything's fulfilled by hand by us. So I sometimes include little autograph cards in there, stuff like that for you guys. Go to the link in the description, evaneratv.com. Alright guys, it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic tricks that you saw in this video. I'm giving away 5 decks of bicycle cards in your choice of colors, 5 of the magic chain escape trick, and 5 of my magic safety pin tricks. All you have to do is leave a comment. Today's keyword is magic. Leave me something with the word magic in it, and you can leave as many comments as you want. The more comments you leave on this video, the better your chances of winning. And it's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. Be sure to send an email with your full mailing address to the email address on the screen right here to claim your prize. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway drawing, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. If you want to watch more how-to magic videos, you can click right up here. Check out the playlist of how-to magic on my channel. We have done over 250 episodes of how-to magic, so there is a plethora of knowledge, a plethora of stuff to learn. Also, for anyone who's stuck around to this point, I wanted to tell you that I'm starting a podcast. You can check out the link for the podcast channel in the description of this video. You can also go to the channel section on my YouTube channel, and you will see the link for the podcast channel right there. Go subscribe. The first episode will be posted soon. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.